Okay, so I did a terrible mistake. I did record this without the mic is actually turned on, so I'm so mad. So let's do this again. Bismillah, astaghfirullah al-azim. So if you are so this is the first window that you are gonna see enrolling the DBeaver, hopefully. So we are using MySQL to in our project. So enter this. Hope we don't have a database for now. Hopefully, if you don't actually have it, if you do actually have a database, you shouldn't watch this, or just if you want to practice it in DBeaver. So let's just give it the 2 password, test the connection, all is well, finish. Okay, so check the databases. So our tutorial does exist because I did it in as a Python script, but this will change as soon as I do this. So first things first, drop database if exists. Okay, so its name is YouTube tutorial. Okay, let's run this. It did run, but nothing happened. But if you did refresh, it will go away. So let's delete it. Create a database, YouTube tutorial. Okay, run this out, refresh again, and there it is. But it's empty. There is no tables because we didn't actually create nothing on it. So let's comment or delete it. So let's use YouTube tutorial. Run this and create table. The name of this table should be a products table. The first column should be okay. Just let's do product ID. It should be an integer, 11 characters. This should not be null. Not null, auto increment for the sake of not specifying the ID each time. Okay, what a night, bro. So a name should be varchar 50, not null. It should not be null. The next column should be quantity and stock. Okay, quantity in stock, integer, 11 characters. It should not be null. Okay, is that it? That's it. Okay, so let's add the unit price. The unit price will be a decimal value, 5, 3 after the decimal point. Okay, so it should not be null. The primary key. Okay, so the primary key should take the product ID. Hopefully the engine, we already done this a lot of times, so just copy paste from anywhere in the Python script if I have done that, and execute. Okay, it did run. Let's refresh. Let's do the YouTube, check the tables. Okay, let's comment this out, or let's comment this, select all from let's describe the products table. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so product ID, integer, primary key, name, varchar, 50 characters, not null, quantity in stock, integer, 11 characters, unit price, decimal, 53, not null, of course. So come this out. So make sure you do this way. I'm gonna uncomment this for you for a better view. Okay, so this is it. Make sure you do this exactly the way you did it, or you're gonna have a problem in your database. So let's delete out of this. We are still using the same database, like you see it's in bold here. So let's insert some values. Let's do an insert statement into our products. The products table is on the database. Products is a table. So let's actually give it the column that we want to access, the quantity in stock and the unit price. Okay, so auto select or auto. Okay, so let's give it the values. Oops, values. Give it the laptop first. Laptop first, 70. Let's give it the 80.2020, 22, not 2020. Okay, it's a column here, comma, not column. PC 49, 20.25, comma. Okay, another value, cameos. Whatever. So 700, 404.24. So hopefully that's it. Column. Let's give it this. Okay. Count everything. So I did execute this, by the way. So I did execute this. Common. Select everything from products, execute. So first thing, second thing, laptop, PC, cameos, 700, and all of your things are in there. So that's how you do that in the DBeaver software. So close this. You don't have to save the .sql file, but I am gonna save it for you to have that in the description for you. So I actually did save it before, so let's jump and let's close this one, or not, let's just close the Beaver this way. Do not check that one and close that. So let's continue in the UI.